Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2007 Hummer H2 SUT. This Hummer is featured in a white paint finish. Under the hood is a 6-liter V8 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5-passenger seating on ebony leather seating surfaces. In both front and back of the vehicle we have heated seats as well as powered seats in the front. We also have our aftermarket Kentwood radio with our Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as navigation, and a powered sunroof. Outside the vehicle, we have American Racing alloy wheels with oversized tires, a chrome assist step, as well as a tonneau cover for our cargo in the back of the vehicle. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our lock, driver seat memory with 2 memory settings. Our heated settings are also on the door. Then we have window control. This is to take down all the windows at once. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and a rear window lock. Door handle is below, and there's storage throughout with our Bose premium audio system. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, this is the control for the driver window, as well as lighting exterior and interior. Power driver seat with lumbar, and the seat itself finished in our ebony leather. Getting into the vehicle, looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. Odometer at the bottom, we currently have 119,523 kilometers on the vehicle. Hazard lights are also above here. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our hands-free as well as programming and source. This is the controls for our trip computer as well as our engine oil life settings and range. Moving to the right-hand side, we have seek and volume, and then information system in our vehicle settings, as well as our back settings. Moving just to the left of our Kenwood entertainment system, we have a locking rear differential, as well as 4 high lock, and 4 low. Traction control, trailer mode, and air suspension for the back is below that. Kenwood audio system in the center. We have volume control, it's on the left here. We also have our home button. You can see we have our navigation across the bottom. Also have our Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay and telephone connection throughout. And then if we click on the left side, we can see we have HD radio, Sirius XM, USB inputs, as well as iPod and a disc player that's across the top. Moving below that, we have our dual zone front climate. Can see we can adjust each side individually. Currently we are on sync mode, and we also have front and rear defrost as well as auto. Below that we have all of our OnStar settings, 212 volts, shifter as well as cup holders. Then we have our center console, opens up from the driver's side with deep storage. Moving to the passenger seat, also finished in our ebony leather with a power option. You can see on the door panel as well that we have our heated options for the passenger as well. Bottom of the rearview mirror, we have our compass controls as well as our auto dimming settings. Above that, we have our controls for our universal garage door opener, 2 dome lights on either side, as well as our powered sunroof setting. Lastly, we can see our sunroof in the front of the vehicle with a manual sunshade. Now walking down the side and front of the vehicle. On the front we have a chrome grille. You can see we also have our fog lamps and recovery hooks. All the way down the side, just on the front, this is our release for our hood. Moving to the front tire and rim, we have a chromed alloy American Racing rim with American Racing center cap and oversized all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have powered mirrors in black and chrome. We also have chrome door handles and a chrome step across the vehicle. Chrome gas cap near the back. Moving all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we have H2 on the tailgate itself. Hummer and H2 on our wheel cover for our 3rd or 5th wheel on the vehicle. More recovery hooks on the back. To open up the back, we can release our tire. We have a pin that goes in that I already took out, and then we can just lift up. We can fold that back. In the back of the vehicle, all we have to do is simply release it and pull down. In the back, we can see we have a tonneau cover as well as storage space and a bed liner below it. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our locks, power window control, as well as chrome door handle with a handle, and then storage and our speaker in the bottom. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Dual headrest screens on either side of our outboard seats. Below that, in the center, we have our 2 vents as well as heated outboard seats. We also have our controls for our audio DVD system at the bottom, storage and 12-volt plug on either side. Moving to the second row seats, we have our bench seat finished in ebony leather. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. Behind it, we have a power sliding third window. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2007 Hummer H2 SUT. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.